Hello and welcome to Royal Chess Center. I am FIDE instructor Pranjal Fukan, your coach. I will play one game today and try to analyze during the game for you. So let's start. So I'm having black pieces. He has played e4. Now it is c6. My reply d3. Interesting. He's trying to play something like close variation. He's playing the advance again. He will play d5, d4. Let's play bishop to f5. Now I will play this and this, protecting the check. Okay, knight c6 is good move for this position. Knight b d2. So what is his idea right now? Okay, if I capture this, if he captures by the knight, I will capture this pawn. If he captures by the pawn, okay, let me play queen b6 first, putting pressure on the d4 square, sorry, pawn. So he's taking some time. Okay, now what is his idea? I can simply capture the pawn. He will play this. Okay, if he play this, I can capture this also. Now I am getting confused. What is he trying to play? No, any weakness? Chalo, let's capture the pawn. Now the first thing, I will try to defend the bishop if he captures by the check. Okay, nice move. Okay, if I play this, he will play knight takes pawn and this knight is pinned. Well played. Now this is confusing but good for me. Let me play bishop here. I will pin this knight, I will develop this, and I will do castle. So castling for me is the first priority in this position. So knight has been pinned, so he can capture the bishops free. So what happens if he capture the bishop? And what happens if I capture? He will capture, he will play this. Okay, if I capture, he captures bishop here. Queen takes bishop, queen takes bishop, and anything else? Bishop takes knight, so queen takes knight, queen takes queen, pawn takes queen. This pawn will be a little bit weak pawn, but I think the opposite color bishop will arise. If I play the same thing, if I play this, what he can play this move. So lots of variation, but don't know what to play. I can play this move, but this pawn will become a target because I will not be able to attack this bishop anymore. Capture, he takes the rook, he come here. Any problem? What happened if I do 000? Capture and he will capture. See, lots of variation to check in a particular position. So now I will play this move. He will do castling if I am not wrong. Okay, no, I am wrong. So I don't want to exchange my queen. So let me play this move. Now I will play this and do castle. I have a nice move bishop here and here. Very interesting line. Oh, I can play this bishop here. What can he play? Okay, first I will play this. He will play this. Then I will play this. So now I will be having tempo. So if you don't know what is tempo, tempo is a chess time which is measured in chess moves. So if I play this move, he will go here. Then I can play this move. Then what? See, I have so many nice moves in this position. All this because opponent's pieces are not properly placed. Play this, then I will play somewhere. I have now two options: bishop b5 or bishop c7. My time is also going down. It's only 6 minutes. If I play this, then here, getting complicated. If I play this, he will come here. If I play back this, he will again come back. Let me play this. I want to keep tension for him on the b3 knight. So what is his idea? Okay, let me play this. My idea is very simple. I will bring my bishop to e7 and I will capture the knight because this knight is pinned. He can definitely defend by playing this. Then I will capture this knight, this pawn if possible. Okay, now do or die situation. If I attack by playing this, he will defend by playing this. Then I will have double attack by playing rook b8, not double, triple attack, and there will be no extra defense for the knight on b3. I hope this is a good plan, otherwise difficult to play. Okay, now I will have to play fast because if I don't play fast, my opponent will try to take advantage in time. I will like to exchange the bishop, but
forgot. I literally forgot to exchange the bishop. Let me exchange it right now, because if I exchange the pieces, then my opponent will not be having power to attack me. Let me play this, defending the bishop. He can play this, captures. Okay, I play this. Now I have one extra power, so I think I will win this game. Oh, this is blunder for him. Be in his second rank. Oh, I think he has given up. I have two options, to capture the pawn or to play this. I think this is good. 2, 3, 4. Lots of time for me. Check. Can play this. Just checkmate. He will have to come here. Let's see what he play. Then according to that we can respond. If we play this, we can simply play this rook to z2. Yeah, I can play this also. So lots of ideas. Let me simplify the position so that I can win easily. Now I take the rook and the pass pawn. I think he resigns.
Thank you for watching the video, and kids, remember, play chess and stay sharp. Also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.